Hey, I'm Ryan Schramm. Check out what $2.1 million will get you in San Clemente at the beach. All right, so the first thing you notice when you walk through the front door, this condo has higher ceilings. They're 9.5 feet. Why? Because this property is newer construction. It was built in 2019, which means everything in here is newer systematically, newer fit and finish. It feels really good when you come in the front door. This is the only house, by the way, condo, that I've ever listed with a purple couch. And I think it's really, really cool. But it's facing right here, this fireplace. It's wrapped in porcelain tile, huge flat screen TV. It's really the focal point for this room. And something very, very special too about this room is it's all accented by these arched windows, which is super on point with San Clemente's Spanish architecture theme. And it just lets that natural light pour into this room, which if you're ever shopping for a condo or looking at a condo, natural light is one of the biggest things you want to make sure that the property has. All right, so we're standing in the dining room. Any condo you ever look at or consider purchasing, you've got to make sure that it has that open concept feeling, right? Because there's only 1,925 square feet here, which isn't bad, but having that open concept from the moment you walk in the front door to the family room, to the dining room and the kitchen, that's what's gonna make the property feel bigger and more spacious. In this dining room, there's plenty of room for a 6-person table, and there's still a ton of room to walk around and hang out, and it all pours and flows into this kitchen, which is exceptionally tastefully done. There's a 6.5-foot island here with quartz countertops that waterfalls and spills over to the wide plank oak flooring, which is always a really nice touch. And then if you look really closely at the cabinets, these are custom cabinets, and they're in this finish that the owner told me they call it khaki. And it's just super soothing, ties in really nicely with the backsplashes. And then of course, the appliance package, it's all high-end Thermador. And this 6-burner range with griddle, I swear, it looks like it's never been used. It really is, like everything in this condo, lightly used, lightly lived in, and really, really nice. All right, so we just checked out the common areas. Let's see what the living quarters have to offer. They're right this way through this killer arch, which is staying consistent with those 3 arched windows, and that architecture screams San Clemente. On my left here, the master bedroom. Stay tuned for that because we're gonna take some time showing you the finishes there. But super important to have in a condo, powder bathroom. Why? Because if you have guests or friends over, you don't want them to have to go into one of the bedrooms to use the bathroom. So this condo does have a powder bath. It's also got a full laundry closet, which means side-by-side laundry machines and overhead storage. And then finally, in this part of the property, you've got guest bedroom number 1 with an ensuite bathroom, 8-foot slider leading out to a private patio exclusive for this unit. And then secondary bedroom number 2, which can also double as an office. If you need an office, this would be the space you use that for. And it's got this really killer barn door, which is a really nice touch. All right, thanks for staying with me. We're in the master bedroom now. Okay, what I feel the moment I walk through that master bedroom door, I feel light, bright, and airy. There's a huge king bed in here, dual closets, and then there's another walk-in closet in this master bathroom here. The moment you step in, spa quality finishings. Dual vanity side by side, his and hers. We've got that khaki cabinet color again, which I absolutely love. And then behind the vanity mirrors, there's a bamboo corduroy style tile that you just don't see in a lot of property. And it's staying consistent with that spa vibe that this master bedroom and bathroom both give off. And then the full walk-in closet, built-in cabinets, built-in drawers, plenty of storage, topped off with a separate water closet. This master bath is gonna check all the boxes for somebody looking for a beach condo. Okay, so with any condo, what's a big question that I always get asked? Is there any outside private yard space? This condo has an awesome balcony, which has plenty of room to hang out, have a glass of wine at sunset. But the bonus, and this is a big, big bonus, it has a 270-degree wraparound dog run, private garden area, and it's a major plus for this property. Come check it out. All right, so I wanted to finish up. One of my favorite spots in this condo is this outside patio. It really lives more like a California room because it does have a finished ceiling with recessed lights, and there's plenty of space out here. 3-person sofa, 3 individual chairs. It's really a perfect spot to end the day after you've spent time at the beach, hanging out with friends, or really just a cool spot to have some you time, read a book. It really is the finishing touch on this condo. 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 3-car garage, and 2 outside living areas, all located just steps from San Clemente Pier. That's why this is the total package. Thanks so much for checking it out. I hope to see you here.